Hello students, good morning. I am Dhirendra Kumar, Modern English School, New Area, Senior Wing. This is first part of video lecture for class 8 civics. Chapter's name is Understanding Marginalization. Margin. Do you understand what is margin? The space you leave in your notebook or in your answer sheet while you are appearing in the examination. Margin means fringe, kinara, the space out of mainstream. When anyone or when any community forced to live on margin, forced to live on excluded places, which is outside the villages or which is outskirt of villages. This process is called marginalization. When any community is forced to live on margin, this process is called marginalization. And the community or the people who is marginalized, who is forced to live in excluded places, is called marginalized community. Why any community is marginalized? When any community speaks language other than mainstream language, or they practice religion other than mainstream religion, their chances are there to be marginalized. Students, here we study about Adivasi. Who are Adivasi? Literal meaning of Adivasi is original inhabitant. They usually used to live in forest, mountains, or the places which is not accessible easily. Student, do you know there are 8% of India's population are Adivasi. They are not homogeneous, means they belongs to different groups. There are more than 500 such groups of Adivasi in India. In Assam alone, there are 60 groups of Adivasi. Adivasi lives in forest or mining areas or industrial areas. Such as Jamshedpur, Bokaro, Rourkela, Bhilai. These are the places where Adivasis are found. Dear students, in India, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Maharashtra, these are the states where Adivasis are found. Northeastern states such as Assam, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh. These are the states where Adivasis are found. Student, Adivasis do not follow the custom established by Brahmins. It means this is very clear that they lacks hierarchy. They are not ruled by kings. The community based on Varna-based society, different from Adivasi. Adivasi practice their own religion. They worship spirits, village spirits, river spirits, forest spirits, ancestral spirits. Ancestral spirits are worshipped within home, whereas village spirits are worshipped in groups outside the village. Adivasi worship those natural things which fulfill their needs or fulfill their requirements. They are greatly influenced by Buddhist, Jainism, Vaishnav or religion around them. But they themselves influenced nearby religions also or nearby communities also. Very good example of Jagannath Puri cult of Orissa and Shakti and Tantra Mantra of West Bengal. Adivasi in 19th century, Adivasis are greatly transformed into Christianity. Means in 19th century, Adivasi adopted Christianity. They speak languages which is different from Sanskrit, and this is also as old as Sanskrit. They also influenced mainstream language, for example, Bengali. Santhal, their language, has largest speaker, and this is also used on internets and magazines. That's all. Have a nice day. Stay at home to fight with Corona.